Hey y'all, it's Julie the Tutor. Look, I've been pouring paint. I'm showing you this because my fingers are dirty. And I just wanted to make this video right quick because I'm going to get dirtier. Okay. PO dosage calculations. And I found my favorite pen. This marker. People have commented on it. It's the best marker, especially if you're a nursing tutor on TikTok and YouTube. Okay. Your patient is to take 2 capsules every 8 hours. How many capsules will you need for 14 days? First, we need to find out how many's taken in one day. So he gets them every 8 hours. How many 8s are in 24? It's 3. If you said 4, you are the majority of people that I asked that question. If you're not sure, just don't trust your brain. Do 24 hours, and every 8, he's going to get 3 times a day. What's he getting? 2 capsules. So we can do 2 capsules 3 times a day and multiply that, and we get 6 capsules a day. I know you know that. You see that. We don't need a calculator. All right. So this is how many capsules he's getting per day. And then they want to know, Ethel and Elrod, how many he going to need for 14 days. So if we know he gets 6 a day, we can multiply that times 14 days, and we will be able to answer this question. 6 tablets times 14 days. That's like going to need 84. Capsules. That's what she said, so that's what we're going to put, all right? You see that? Look, boom. Sure enough, did we save them? Okay, let's do another one. If the patient takes 3 tablespoons of milk of magnesia that daily in the morning, I was going to say something I shouldn't. Okay. How many milliliters will you give the patient? We got 3 tablespoons they're given. Do you know how many tablespoons? Yeah, that's, sometimes they do TBS, sometimes they do TBSP, or just a capital T. And a little t would be a teaspoon. Okay, we got, hey, you know how many milliliters is in a tablespoon? 15. What's 4 plus 4? That's how quick you need to tell me how much tablespoons, milliliters in a tablespoon. If there's 15 and we got 3 of them, we multiply 3 times 15. Here we go. 15 times 3 equals 45. That will be how many milliliters we're going to give him. Look, boom. Sure enough is 45. See, we saved another one. All right. Its order is 0.175 grams of amoxicillin. What is the dose equivalent in milligrams? So, you have kilograms. I'm going to put a G. Grams, milligrams, and micrograms. And they say you have 0.175 grams, and they want to know milligrams. Let me put this. You have kilograms, hectograms, decagrams, and then grams. We don't deal in life in heckas and decas, and we don't make y'all learn that. Instead, we tell you if you're converting kilogram to gram, you're going to move it 3 places. Why? Because if you go from kilograms, skip a deca, then there you are at gram. You did 3 moves. And I could list all the rest of them, but I'm not, because I believe you getting what I'm putting down. And so if I'm going from grams to milligrams, this right here tells me I'm moving my decimal to the right. So I will grab it and go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm putting the decimal right there, and I'm going to see what the fallout is. Of course, this makes it a whole number. I'm going to drop that 0, and it's going to be 175 milligrams. Look, let me show you this. If it was 0.175 grams, and they wanted to know micrograms, way down here, I'm grabbing it. You know, we're still moving it to the right, but we're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm at milligrams. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm at micrograms. So when I'm telling you move it 3, I mean that. You hear? But look, the original answer, boom, we saved him. Yeah. Let's do one more. Today at the clinic, your patient was weighed. He was 56.2 kilograms. How many pounds does the patient weigh? Now, you got to know whether to multiply or divide. That is the number one question when I'm tutoring students. Do I multiply or divide? And look, I'm with you. You my people. Because the reason I do this right here is because I would multiply when I should have divided. So, you my family. Anyway, so I always tell you that 1 kilogram is 2.2 lbs. And then I say it like this. I can say this because I'm healthy. A woman wants to hear her weight in kilograms, especially big girls, because she could be 350 pounds. Let me write this. 350 pounds, but we're going to divide that sucker by 2. When you divide it by 2.2, she is 159.1, and we have rounded. So if you're going from pounds to kilograms, I hope that story helps you remember to divide. We're going kilograms, so we're going to multiply to get to pounds. Okay, it's 56.2. Multiply 2.2. And she is 123.64. 123.64 lbs. Now, they didn't say to round nothing. So I would leave it to her pleasure and say, come in, Ethel, I got something for you. Okay? Look, we saved them. Boom. Saved another one. Okay. I got part 2 coming.